Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses tutorial. In this video we are going to learn Google Student Researcher Google Career 2026 and how to apply, and apply last date is before or on 31st of July 2026. The people who can apply, so BTech student, MTech, MS, PhD student can apply only. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for that. So Google has officially opened the application for the Student Researchers 2026 program in Bengaluru, India. If you are a bachelor, master's or PhD student in the computer science, AI, machine learning, statistics, mathematics, economics or related field, this could be your chance to work on the cutting edge research project at one of the world leading technology company. So application deadline is July 31st, 2026. Location is Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. Applicants must be located in India throughout the internship period. So in this video, overview of the Google Student Researcher 2026 program, eligibility criteria, bachelor's, master and PhD students. So minimum and preferred qualification, required skills and programming languages. Research area AI, ML, NLP, computer vision, SCI, data science and more. Application process explained step by step, and document required is resume/CV and academic transcript. So who can apply? So that is a bachelor's, master's or PhD student, computer science and software engineering student, AI and machine learning and data science and statistics student, mathematics and operation research, economics, natural science student. So candidates with the Python, Java, JavaScript, C++ or similar programming experience. So research domain included in the AI, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, and NLP, that is the natural language processing, computer vision, human computer interaction, SCI, software engineering, data science, algorithm design and optimization, and quantum information science. So working as the Google student researcher give you the opportunity to collaborate with the teams across the Google Research, Google DeepMind, Google Cloud and other world-class research organization while solving real-world problems at scale. So official link is this. We'll go through the step-by-step process. So first see this one, there is a google.com and Google Career is there. So student research 2026, there is a Google, Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. And please complete your application before July 31st, 2026. So all the details you can find here. Currently enrolled in the Bachelor, Master, PhD degree program in computer science and others. So experience in the one area, computer science, NLP, the details are there. So preferred qualification is that currently enrolled in the full-time degree program, returning to the program after the completion of the internship. So experience contributing research communities or effort include the publishing paper or major conference and journals. Experience with one or more general purpose programming language, an example Python, JavaScript, Java, C, C++, etc. So there is a responsibility is there, participate in the research to develop solution on the real world large scale problem. So all the details you can find here. So now there is an option to apply. When you will click on the apply, create your profile. So a Google career profile, save your info so you can apply quickly or provide the personalized job recommendation and career content to help you the your research. It take 1 to 2 minutes. There is a name, middle name, last name, and suffix. Preferred this one name, email address, and there is a phone number. You have to change the country. Just like I'm from India, so I'll just put India, and there then phone number. And here I'll upload my resume or CV. So just check your requirement and then submit your profile and continue. So this is the process to apply this one. So now we have done Google Student Researcher 2026 step-by-step process. And disclaimer is that this video is created for educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box and like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.